Good.
Okay. And 5. Yo, what's good? What's happening? It's your boy Millennium Pesh. I got them guests, I got them raps, I got what else? Nothing but good episodes. Yo. We're back with another episode. Do subscribe if you haven't already. And the rest is history. Otherwise, today we have probes on the episode. Saga Savannah probes. But I might take some other stuff. But yeah, what's good, my team?
Yeah, it's cool, bro. I can't ngavi yami.
Oh yeah. So last time sagcinana bekusaphushwa. Yeah, the movement was still about it, but nyalo kusafana ngibuka emuva kusafana. Cause
wena kusakuningi vele. Kade qala masibasendele last episode bese
don't send them challenges bese ngapho awukhasha impamba.
Mina kunile sekwenzekile.
Exactly, dog. Sasakhashana impamba. But speaking of, I've been the journey very sugela because I think that was like 2-3 years ago. Angisakhuma ngiyabona le memory ka Facebook because that's how you know. Ngimase ngibona ma memory ka Facebook ukuthi 2 years ago we were shooting an episode. I was like, "Hayi nawe sesikhathi sihambile."
Ayisesambile. Kuningi lokwendekile nengi.
Sekuningi lokwendekile dog.
And kuningi lesatawushintsha. Bazile ngakusho nje hayi kumnazi dokwethe imthamba ngolayini. Kuningi lesikufunzako yabo.
Yeah, we
learning and nale group saying kuningi lesicroll kiko beside music nje
majita sekangena kubo bushfire dog sekuphithitelo strong
yabo kuningi nje lokwendekile big time.
Now how has it been because nikile nangena as NTM ku bushfire where is it that you performed epic gig khona ngena perform
farmers market
yeah
abanye bakipa ima bookings
as the NTM crew
yes as NTM El Mover festival
ne
haya nakubo emani magig lesawahamba
no success
magig lesawahamba nje at that time
ne
yeah yabo
no solo kesebeno but
yasechenda
cause let's talk about Firefly sugela the Costella ngathi buka sengakaya na Firefly the last time we had a conversation or the last time we linked up for a podcast.
Yeah
Costella buka sengakaya. Yeah, how's been the reception like Firefly okwazama lo nyaka noma uzamile
lo nyaka?
Yeah.
Stawabona next day.
You didn't answer my ask. I'm assuming them people wanna so bonga kazama because ngathi nalo fact apply mawusese noma bongatibona uze as an upcoming
okay mina wababeke ngihleze ngibe upcoming until ngingafiki la ngiphele khona ngohleze ngi
ngashaya ngalento ka MTN abo upcoming .wena ma WhatsApp upcoming sesinathi ukuthi ngafika but yeah you're saying
like kimi athi ngiba ngathi upcoming level upcoming nani ngiba mina ngibuka nje ukuthi wambabona kanjani bona mina ngibuka ukuthi mina ngitibona kanjani sengifikile la ngifuna kufika khona but nabe ngisengafiki I'm still coming yakhona ngizokuthi inza le goal mina kuyithinta nabe igoal yami ukuthi ngipope estate mangafiki lapho kutoba kusolo still upcoming nabe igoal yami ukuthi ngipope international ngathi kumzazi kuphi sho
still so you have a bigger goal than just winning Firefly
yeah by cool but nje Firefly wena wababe imvelo yendeka ngathi mvotabo okay ngathi njengoba ngitshela ukuthi solo siyafunza siyale kuningi lesikwatiko bekusetha lathi mvona athi khona lathi mvelo laba batidzinga lapha kito ukuze uqualify engena khona
things like
and ngabona sekulate vele lethi mvelo batifuna nakwabo Ngibe ngakwazi yebo iPK kuwele bona ngakwazi mina ukuthi mu-artist ufuna ube ne-portfolio ube nani lokuchaza ngawe nje package yebo bengaqhavi lokho mina still and angifuna ukutena umvulo ngathi hayi ngiyaqhava mangathi ngiyafuna.
Do you think very that's also a thing that can be killing us as a whole because I see khona lokuthi umufubel connected but I think I've heard this topic or conversation okulenye podcast nje but I think khona ukhanze ukuthi artist ine distribute music while not even distributing just uploading ku YouTube khawuthi utakutshaya ukuthi akakhona yabo
so effect le nalethi into esilimatawo as ma artist ngingadi so mina ngiva ngathi ivole ngasita ukuthi unabo award ubude uresearch uyifuna la information ungazu ngabo la ubona imvo yendekile uthi hawu lo wende njani imvo leya hambe yokubuta ukuthi wende njani bamvuke bakusebongela abaninhlito yolemo noma banemwana samwana ngakuside yabo
True, yeah. Otherwise
don't give up nalokhu kufuna impela usita wena.
Yeah, ne.
Give up uhlezi uphokophela njalo.
True. We are bushfire because vele this is the bushfire week. We are bushfire.
Bushfire ngizangabi sure but ngindeka ngiye cause yabona think around don incumbi tiyaya la.
Ani winning sick phela lile.
Ngishoda ukuthi nje sele ngiva ukuthi hey lithikithi bomngami ngithini.
Wawe. But noma ungakayi fine with that also. Noma you're looking forward to going there.
Great but nje but ngemoya yokusupportana wena wababe.
No, I mean not bushfire this year.
Nabe futhi kuyala ngengiforced wababe yabo.
True. Bushfire is also coming through. Now ubuka ukuthi le lineup from le era yayitolo yokuthi sade ukuthi yabo sathi sokubhuka umfumo yabo nama ku release at least nyalo they are paying homage to the artists that are like spanning bo Zesh na Basta yeah bo but I'm just influencing Tibuta yona or I was just asking myself yeah true there's some flag Tibuta like Lady Special. I'm worried with how is Lady Special not part of it because she's one of the most like we are Spana Noma tabang last minute act I don't know but na seyiphumile phela I line up yakuna ukuthi
but still mathi vela move ngibuta sithi nje ukuthi why ebushwaya ukuthi nababhuke ama artists abalengisi nje umvuzo wayo lathi bam
I think it's a strategy
vela kancane ama artists so I think
yeah
thatha wethu batambuka naye Lady Special if bangambuki maybe this maybe said
yeah maybe
next year khona wena babe hlambulweni mina I believe ukuthi yonke into endeka ngesikhathi
true cause not impact was still impact last year ukuthi bambona ku Firefly and okay maybe but my concern is Lady Special kusukela last year Dok Solo yakhina this year Solo yakhina so that's why I'm like I understand ke ku Lady Special I can say angathi kulabanye ngesengisho ukuthini angisho ukuthi futhi usebenza kakhulu nabantu but I'm just saying bra from what I can see I'm worried ukuthi what is going on noma ukuthi laba because I've had this conversation where uvekuthiwa ngathi ukuthi kuba khona nekuthi like I've seen at least but I'm assuming people know this like kukhona ukuthi mase management like both okay the management is active such that they can get you that spot khona majali ngatiwe ukuthi lento bekungasi ukuthi it was the other way around ukuthi Bushfire called you like they made the call like the artist management side makes calls like
naloko kende wabaqinisile yabo nje mina ngiyabelieve ukuthi moy artist khona phela ama artist wena ngabe ngibekisela khona nje artist lengadiwa engase famous but ukuthi ile team le grand ne management le grand abakhona kubafaka etinfeni ubone bangengelo nje ngifuna mention emagama bami khona nje ngimatiwe mina ama artist la nga train la swatile ngatiwa but nje ayangena etinfeni and umuntu ubutana ukuthi kanjani
I'm assuming people know this stuff it's management over everything
yabo
yeah ne
umqowana lo siyafunza ke la ukuthi
NTM ikhona imanagement or because I've seen yabo kule era leyo I'm thinking or I'm assuming there's a point where kwangena imanagement or I don't know maybe there isn't but maybe you're going to clarify the icon management ka NTM or
babe ndakucharge iqiniso mina ka NTM
or at least your manager yeah if you have one
NTM is the manager wefe ngasho ukuthi ngi DJ City
okay
because I feel like tingo letiningi uyakhona kutendeke
yeah he checks like a professional ngiyayibona
so ngicabanga ukuthi ezisahamba isikhathi okay mina ngikwami ngingakhulumeli labanye mina I feel like yabo nje mina imanagement ngizwana sengifuna kuba nemanager ngifuna ukuthi mangithola imanager engendele nathi imfole ngese ngikhona kutendela mina nomshida wami noceleni longangendela kuna nangabe emsakatweni ngisakhona ukutimixela ingoma ngifake sikuphi izathu semekuba na manager nabe ngiyakhona ukukhuluma nazi abantu bayana ngithola local kwenteke
but there's different aspects musinabo road management I think ne
ngiyakubona ke naloko but nje I believe nokuthi ngotive de ngasikhathi naba
ngizathi mina force tonke
and mina ngibona ngifisawo ngami mina ngithazile ukuthi ngiba ngathi sometimes ku foster noma ka approach abantu takulimata cause emehle bamvu awuthi phela abantu babona nguve yabona imvo lente kakho maybe une bamvu bane dlehlukene takubona lo muntu utshela ukuthi hayi khona phela bayasicova phela mbabona ukuthi okay mebuva ngathi ayish mina ngisengakanetiseka kahle ngalabafana noma lo mfana lo ngiva ngathi safuna regional somehow then yena masakeva ngathi ayi so right nyalo sanga eta ke isikhuluma business because ngiva ngathi sometimes ukusuka when artist you approach umfule kanti maybe yena uyaqava kahle naloko kuyakulimata even emotional nani
uthi
ngiapproachile lo move shothi mina ngijake itimbo umdzaka sangakalungu mina ngibeka kubeketela babe kusitimbo titendakalele mfowethu.
Speaking of ngabona okay the reason why I'm assuming why I assumed there's a manager behind khona madila kafike maybe angathi noma ukuthi kwaba coincidence or infole ukuthi tintwa ngesikhathi sato like le kwakha invoice did you get that off of management or they approached you or what was the plan behind that noma botele ngalenye indlela?
Okay imvole khona ngami kwena ngabe yamine besides nje kwena umculo nanani I'm open minded mina ngimuvulo
I'm open minded what do you mean?
Like angibuka imfo yinye ngilake ngiyacaba kwamagcini la ngicaba ndothiwa ngesingisa ngathi why
that's vele ama other skills la ngasithusa lesingawazi because I'm assuming we just think Pro is a rapper like noma umhlabelele kwathi kokubhala but besides or outside the studio what can yini lo babhizi maybe we're trying to get to that.
Ngiyo ke mfowethu lo wake lokungena ukuthi bese sengifikela nathi indzawo lokuthi mina I vele athi la kimi nje imvo yaladali nathi ngibelieve ukuthi athi
imvo lena ngistand ngathi babhizi ngetinto debo handcrafts nabo what not
konke mina kwakhe indvodza ngafikiswa imsebenzi wetandla ngawuthanda ngikhumbula ngibutwa ngihisto ke vele bebaya lapha katseni even yangizeshwaya lapha kwakhe indvodza baningi abacama kwakhe indvodza katseni basebenda la
banakhile kanti
baningi abacama kwakhe sokuthi laba abakhuluma uTibu nami bevokhuluma mzukwana but mina kwakhe indvodza ngafika ngahisto like bengihleli nje ngirelaxile emzini ongathi ke histo kwami ngathi khuthalele ngathanda kwenda Timbo and ngathanda kwenza imvo lensha. So mafika history yangitshela ukuthi kuseke wathi la kunemshida kanje bathi ngibandile semngawakhe indvodza so balele timbote mayini angathi skills wathi kufundisa kwami ngama skills nje ukuthi philisa athi kuseke since wena ngiyacaba ukuthi yathanda wena umsebenzi etanda asibide nje namajija sibaningi nabomntase
wathi
nabomntase sihambe siye lapha fike siye vele sihambe emalanga siya nedike lapha kune take away nemali bapha kunayo yona shothi labanye majita I feel like bakayela timbote abo take away nani hayi ke siye nabo bagcine bangasaya bathiwa hayi ngathi imali sekude ngalotobo kude nje ngisho imali ngekho ne take away
nasasibona ukuthi
so bese baba off labanye bangasayi so ke mina ngithi ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi etanda ngalapha bayibona le nshisa ke ukuthi ayibona lijale lemfole liyendako layithanza
lijale inyama serious
yabo from there ayakhala lapho le relationship nabo banginila bangisetekiko kuse nanyalo bekuzasigele ngifunza ngigela nakhona sponsors akhona ngatholela ngibo ukuzakuthile sharp konke tokotimvo bangizwe yabo and i relationship efimnanzi nayalo sesiyaqhubeka and I believe
bayakhala ndozale ngilelijale elimnyama
shwela baba
I know away manje but speaking of a lot is happening mangibona nje like in the industry ngifuna ukukhuluma nangabo besides because ngiyibona ngathini sengayi understand le kwabe ngicabanga ukuthi yabo it was a thing where you just got it off of management and the music at large but now ubeka ngandlela leyo yana I understand Sharabo histo nayo active la ngale tinto leyo it makes sense mawuthi
histo kumela timbo kuningila kwatiko connection connect network nebantu imvo takhe histo
I understand I know it. Speaking of yabona kulamalanga ngathi uyayilandzela ibhola kankwana?
Mina ngabe yabona ibhola ngisuka nje ngatalwa angizange siyilandzele ibhola ngalanga ngayizama nakuyidlala yangihlula and then ngaba nenhlala ngasesengena kule level ya music ngase imehlami ongabuka khona ngiva ba favor ke baba ama team neteam nje ngifavor iKaizer Chiefs nayo bengikufavor kwami ngifavor ukuthi bengithi mangihleli baba ba favor ama team mangani bami nani bakhuluma ngokuthi nana
gcina uthi ayikhethi Chiefs
lemvo yabo ngakubuka ngabo iKaizer Chiefs ngabona le Orlando Pirates hayi ngathanda le skipper zeKaizer Chiefs ngathi hayi nani sengiveve iKaizer Chiefs kanjalo otherwise angidilanzelelwa babe le timvo le
I thought you were a fan of course
akusinvo yami
nabo a lot of
mathi tamvele cishe bonke incumbi bayilandzelela ibhola abakuhlala bakhuluma noma ufike topic leyo nje mina ngivama ukuthi cha telefone yami ingene ku-Wi-Fi ngibe busy ngawo yabo ngithi phela batendayo la ngatendi mina ngizongelijalela kanjalo mina sometimes ngiba ngendiswa pressure lijalela imnyama jala imnyama lena imvu ngoba la ifuna bo wathi ngaze ngenda imvu mina ngiyenda ngenhlitiyo ngizivile ngayifuna angindizwa ukuthi ngibona azibani yayena even uyacava nawo ngosileke ngihlala nabo Paris nabo sithi ngidlala ama game lapha nginibukela nje yabo lokho ukuthi ayingabi zama phela la na uzame ngithi hawu mngana Maxine for yami leyo ngihlalele mina ngibukela social media kuthanda ke mina kusearch.
But I don't think you want to try new stuff because yabo kunama skills kunama hidden skills because yabo blind nje but you just don't know it yet.
So kuthi mina ngabe mina yabo nje kulokudlala ama games ngiyami mina ngikhulele ekhaya lesinfu ngakhula ngilungisa ngikhule entsabeni nikhomeni
ukhulela Zulwini vele noma ufika eZulwini later
ngikhulela Zulwini netikela
Letikhona ngoma la Zulwini dog
kunenzawo phela letileka
lesonzele
ngasenithabeni yabo ngikhala kithi sonzele ngasenithabeni emahlathini so lethama lami ngimulothanza kufuya ke uyafuya inkomo ethe early stage nje kusemncane kuse age lapha ngulusa inkomo nehadi nekulahla inkomo salahla inkomo khona salahla inkomo dababe kuseyo wasibhensa sabhulwa ekwasibhula kulomdzala and lapho waluthi inkomo matshoda ngeke kulala endlini ngoba thama utafika mina lapha esibayini abuka
esibayini ingoma yakho ngito into bese ntenda kuthi nakhe bosibayena kwenze ngishayo kakhulu inkomo athi ngakalala etbayi
asikhule siluza thina wababe
nawe. Nah, but speaking of, because I also had like there's a point in time where I'm looking at it now, like, because I wanted to speak about it. Nema adverting like the filming industry. You also a part of an actor.
And futhi ngabe yami usatawubona. Ngoba actor benginawo uthando la ngibuka ngithanza ngibabona bayenda lapha ku TV. Nguzebovu ke naenda ngasethathi ingoma ta storyline nani
your shit is just film work nalengoma
ngena khona ngathi bona lapho ukuthi hayi man i-acting ngayichuna ngayincanya from there and futhi ngisataqhubeka nayo le career ngisukumela yabo mina ngabe yami ngidlala ngibeva but hey mamufuna ube ne option yami nalamanye asifanani sibantu yabo wena nabe kwakusebenzela lokho kukahle kuwe ungafuni sonke sithatha lo mqombolo ngengani yabo mina I believe in acting.
Speaking of man speaking of ngifuna ukujuba kule timing ekuthathena how do you feel about because nyalo ngazuthi khona le nang le difference ngiba or maybe I'm seeing it like le era yokuthi yabo ngathi ne era yabo KRTC ne era ya nyalo ngazi ngithi I'm assuming people talk about this stuff
school boy lamajila siwadinga nje bocipho bodibade bakhangarula bakatheni
because bababhuka bopushaya
yabas inspire kwanathi besibukela kibo phela mina ngifuna kube ngigeka nje ngitacacisela ngabe yabonje mina music uthanza kwami music ngize ngungenele ekhaya besibukela kangaroo ngidibadiba thuwe bambule bas inspire shaya ama desk mazirapa nabo yangizeshi senelo kuhlabele sibe fast lobe into wangikangaroo ke banabo J Speed nabo ke bambule bas inspire
I remember that era also
then sebocipho ke balanzela otherwise mina diba ni kangaroo
they've played a part also with a lot of rappers also no thinje ngicombe yabo abakumention yabo we don't even speak about it in songs because me I can hear mostly whenever umuntu acknowledge about Tupac or whatever but we really speak about this even making punchlines
about Tupac as bad mina la ukuthi sibe sintu uyabona mina ngibabali
true
bahlabela ngeSwati even nayalo basasilabela Swati yabo
hayi cool
akusafana naqala cause bozakhuluma ngegeneration yabo le generation yakathe elanyalo yabo le nto yanyalo hayi yaphusha
even the music videos because that's what I wanted to take it like the filming aspect of it like itolo bengashootha I wanted to understand what's your view on that cause ngathi nalapho ngathi info lena but decisive or maybe it's just learning off of ukuthi nibukele game datishi game ayitolo because game ayitolo bayimnanzi vele but bay audio based there was no visual there was no yabo interviews it only get them through ngoma radio
yabo ukuthi upope laqala bopopa ngekuthi vele uzoblow up nje ublow up izwa ukuthi vele sponsor
ko radio you need to
nabo TikTok nabo Facebook
you can be a TikTok hit
uyaphusha nje uthi lapha sekende ukuthi ujikal dice lakho likambele kahle uvume yabo ngihlala tebamfutha lifanana lokuye ngabe yami ntakubekisela ikhathi nenhlanhla tebamfu akufanani
true
athi batende njobe ngutshela ukuthi ama artist la Swatini manini wacavako mina ngiselathalele blind but
push ngale strategy side. I mean, I think it's the
but
strategy.
still
Yeah.
basangakaveli but akusho ukuthi kuphelile ngabo noma ini nede file banga give up yabo tawufika la mamela bafike khona ngengani kabi
I know gonna excel.
so dikhatha tifanane dihlaza tebamba tifani lo muya ngacana umuntu apho namuhla dembe umkhayela ngumona kuba green ngena amabookings madloda kibo na uNkulunkulu wakhe kumthanzile
akufani ne
nalesikhathi sakhe yena maybe bekweleso vele kuthi hayi nasi toshiya
because inyalo kuyapusha already special babona abashaya bo 1 million in like 3 months
and 1 million akusimsangano dog 1 million akusimsangano
metal si umkhalo
simsangano ngibona ngisho mathi lamakhulu SA kendeka nayalo amanyakhulu kube likhunju zashaya 1 meter phela isikhathi lesithe so la umva ngashaya 1 meter
yanyiwa dog let me tell you yanyiwa even so there are songs like Bombamba where there's a point where I assume that this one is going for because the way it was vying, I was like, I know this one is going to, but then
But I feel like yabona amamosha elmeter. Lapho ngiva ngathi so le nombolo etakusetha la Swatini kuphela.
Definitely.
Because sibancane kakhulu Swatini. I feel like yabo nje la ngwane nangathiwa benda nami ngayifisa sibagcine bayenda nempela ukuthi kube nabo plaque ukuthi iplatinum lela legolide ngayi. I feel like yabo nje mosha 100k.
Yeah.
Mosha 100k lo ngathiwa iplatinum because I feel like ngabe so la for la Swatini population ya la Swatini because sibancane phela thina I think is 1 something million.
I'm assuming they're working on that because of
bogogo nabomkhulu abangeni lapho ngeke babale nabo kulaba stream music balandzela music nabantu labangenela nje kwa music bafundisi nani ngiyobafake lapha
khona la population yalo 1 million lekufuneka usimshaya
so lapha I feel like so international lapho so senabo SA bobatswana nani
yeah there's a lot of lapho ngeke talk
yabo nje lawabuka bathi ke phela imfana ibuka lapha
stats or whatever yeah
khona nje la ngibona screenshots ekhona special emvo yakhe ayivetile lapha
it's different countries succeed
different access Swaziland kuphela wena umbuso nalabo botswana kuphi uthi mathi yabuka la phasi bami laba comments ukhanze comments nalabanye bonza hayi lo mfuso international
yeah
ngiva ngathi la ngwane phela ngesabala labana mamitha mina ngibatiko yabantu laba still laba artist la hlala kangwane ngabali bozincuma nani ngibale nje naba laba vele sibatiko bablowa phe bala Swatini
true
ngathi sikhuluma ngasenzi sikhuluma ngasipheshi ngibona ngibatiko mina abashaya
ngaphandle kwabancandweni Christ ambassadors
hayi ase gospel leto ke vele tika
meter la
gospel yangibana siyathengisa ngiyole hamba embili but nayana yajabula music izoshinshile
akusafana naqala
lento elikhona yalo yaphusha mathi solo ngiyasho
akusafana naqala into tajika dog
yabo
but yeah next has been a wonderful and a great episode oh shit before I close it ayingeke dog cause ngifuna kubuta ngana timing na speaking of labo butla basho what happened with the pastor thing because I saw ngathi bekumele kube ne like there was a screenshot or somewhere somehow kumele kube nenhlonipho remix did you ended up not doing that or what hey we I think I'm posting a call
hey wayibuta ke leyo
ngani what are the guns dog what's guaning
hayi lengakusho mina sasibana
the song is out I mean it's out there like on your phones or whatever
hayi khona ngoma isemshinini kuneyo
emshinini
laptop nedi ke
now what's the hold up ngoba ngathi sofuna ukudropa le ingoma
ngidawubona singena njalo ngoma sokuthi sasipana neingoma sayicetha nabo netfu yabashapha
was it before the 3T Zesh Saka or it was after
okay mase khuluma indaba yengoma bese sharp bo 3T nabo basa nje ba grand ukuthi sharp vele bangacabanga ngaloko bacabanisa ngingakwadi ngilungangifaki so besiplanile vele kusi Stonto le remix then ke sayishaya ingoma washaya verse basa samfakela then ke imvula ngayiva lapha kuleli verse la Rical Buster lacaleni fana azangabita ligama lemuntu like ngeva amagama lawabita like eshangathi mangivumelekile ukuthi ngasho ukuthi
but I'm trying to get the full story
so maqala caleni nithi ke lo munye ngamfulula etingomeni lo munye ngamfulula
he was speaking about
ngami ufuna ukuduma ngami wathi impela kanjani.
Was
So
it
ngihlala kwami ke mina since lapho bese bekucatshene because le verse record amuva sebacabene nakumzwabene kulaba kwendile.
kanti lemfo ikhulunywe before.
Kanti besikhulume before. Then kwase sekuba ne-tension lekabi. Nekuthi ke ngeva ngathi athi ukuze ngibese ngitshela pastor uthi pastor shintsha verse babe ngeke ngavela ngathi ayikho le tangisida na ukuthi ngithule. And ngingamtshela even zeshi sikwendekeni ngeva zeshi lingena ngizangibuta athe pro ngitshela ukuthi pastor yangidisa la ngithi mina hawa ba
heard the song shotwa
wayivisa kuneve ngoma
because neve sebenza naye
neve wayilala ukuthi neve ngizamtshela ngavela ngathula nje mina because mosathi story ngeva ngathi mina phela pastor
the song was not recorded
and lokukhuluma ngaye ingomenta umfulo okhuluma ngaye ingomenta ngavela ngacabanga ngathi hayi phela ngathi ukhuluma na zeshi la ngathi hayi ube tangisida kodwa ngithanda umsebenzi mina yangizeshi njaya yami ngikhule naye am respecter Rical pastor yam respecter epusheni kwakhe and ngiyafuna uthatha amasayidi cabana kwabo nani because angibathi kusuke kanjani kuphela nini mase ngithatha sayidi mina ngingena because phela la music business music business
performing this
weekend phela performance ngibonile bemnanzi sethi yabo kube ke mina ngangena lisayidi ngathi kuse pastor uyanya umuthi kuseze uyanya yabo and futhi
ngeke smart move
so nisebavala abahleka boyithu mina sengibani islim sengimi noma sengibani kazi mebheke mina bengikhuluma tivole team sebahlangana ngaleso yasho pastor ukuthi kuse ati pro bekathi ati nazo kuse pro wathi lapho sekuba ngibona babuya betakini yabo so akatha ukuthi ngcono ngiyibambe ngoma ngiyibeke kodwa zashi ngambuda sabe siyambuda naneva athi sewufila njani ngale verse la pastor lokushito lapho wazeshi hawu mputi mina ngithinkinga mina babe hawu ngithinkinga mina ngathi ngiyibeke ingoma mhlambe lingelanga gucwala ngikhiphe ngidrop yabo
hayi dog I see yabo ibanjwe ngale nhlonipho le
hayi ibanjwe ngenhlonipho ihamba phambili selo ngiqhubha inhlonipho nanyala ngabahlonipha bonke bafowethu njengengoma isho ukuthi inhlonipho. So
speaking of lo release sorry to cut you lo release konyalo
ngaJune
yeah kusasothi is it still part of usebenzela iphinya lo what's going exactly?
Okay nyalivole khona sizoziza ngikhuluma ama plan
because the reason I didn't want to talk about it bengafuna ukubuta imbuto because
I but because thimbo besitendeka awukhulumi
awukhulumi lo yana kanti lapho it's just yabo okay I'm not
but lengakusho ngabe yami
yeah
nyalo nje akhe nga mention magama bamfu nyalo ngiyasipana kusipana kuhama music ngikhiphele mati ngomadami ngishaya amakholo because I believe na amakolabo nginale inja ile inkabi yami nayo yangala embabane kaMsunduza nale push up ngathi maybe ngalisho ligama
was it that Bavara fit nayo dog
ngisipana Bavara sifuna kushaya iJordan EP esiyikhipha sisipana kiyo so angifuni ukusho stopuma
hayi enough said
yabo sasipana umsebenzi useta nkabi yami
wawe I know I'm assuming he who has an ear uvile dog but yeah basically I know thank you for coming through my G because we can talk Shona Lelanga and there's so much to do and people don't have data. Why should I carry? Because I am not data mzans. But it's the same thing. Tap in my G if you are tapped into this much or to this point as you're born with solo ya bugera. But yeah, do subscribe, do like the content, do follow Pro as well. Probs Pro RPS. I think starting to props.
Yeah, but sengamukela ngabe mina baye bathi props. Abaye bathi pro reps angathi bomthathaka lo reps yeah mina ngi pro RPS NTM but ngofuna yasho ukuthi props NTM
abasusa labo magesana nabo wachuma khona
alobo kuma personal accounts lokho kuma page business
labo okay
on platform nje mafollow la khanza pro NTM even such a histo NTM DJ Sit NTM go on ama platform.
Next time uphathelele merchandise I want to be rocking it
ojolile mnyama ayijolile mnyama already
on the next episode
noma kanjani kabe yami sengicabanga ukuthi sitayicala le business ebathengisela because ngibonile labo lababelieve mbamba
obosathi icokela kahle kahle
ngicabanga ngatenela ukuthi ngicokela mina because ngina le into ngenyanya wena ngabe amnyanya ukuthi ngithenge imvu Mr Price noma kuphi sengibona lo uyigcokile ngithatha ngathi ngaba exclusive kubonakala ukuthi ngiartist njengoba mama artist
yeah branding is
but
key
bamse bayicela ke inbox
bayacela nama
ndabanika nkambi yami ukuthi inkinga
asho ukuthi
badayisela bafunako
you might as well win it I don't know stakwendele plan awubukela lapho and ungilolo bukela mbamba ubonakala na kuma comments you might as well make a plan but ayingatitsengela mina bese ngakunika ke leso skipper wena nobukela but I thank you for tuning in as well. Being said this, but thank you.
Shwele.